Hi, good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
It's Sunday, December
11. 2 weeks till Christmas. I can't believe it.
And we're leaving at 0700. It's maybe like 0705. We're leaving now.
Blythe, California to Brawley, California. 85 miles.
And yeah, 85. And the sun sets at 4:30, so we got to hit the road. We got to hit the road now, and we'll see you later.
Have a good day, everybody.
Looks like it's going to get windy later today, but right now it's nice. We'll see you later. We have our lunch with us today, because there's nothing for 60 miles. Plenty of water, a couple of snacks. We're good to go. Just got a flat tire. We just changed it. I changed the whole tire. The new tire I had was getting too many flats, so this is a new tire I've had from the beginning. All right. I got that flat tire in the first hour today. Oh, we're going to be fighting daylight, so got to change back on the road by 15 minutes, maybe less. I've always been saying go west, 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 but we are now back in Arizona. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I think we're on it for long.
We're going on a gravel road along the Colorado. Well, let's see how long we gotta go. It's flat.
How long we got, John?
Under 4. All right. That over there is California. This here is Arizona. And that's the Colorado River. All right. This road here, this is fine. It's when you have deep sand, that's NG. Or if you have this for 20 miles. Quite a difference on this road and Interstate 10. This is Levy Road. I guess this is a levee for the river. I know the Colorado River is the main source of water for a lot of western states. And the way they divide the water up is always controversial. Today is December 11. This is the date that Rob Vogel and I arrived in Santa Monica at the Pacific Ocean 42 years ago. If you're watching this, Rob, hello. I'm starting to smell the salt air now, but it's still a couple 100 miles away. My rear tire just went low again. I think there's something in the rim. That's 3 tubes. Might be in the valve hole. We just pumped it up. I'll see if it's gonna last an hour. If it doesn't, I gotta change it again. Brawley, 59 miles. Brawley is 54 miles. 49 miles to Brawley. We're going to stop in 4 minutes for a break. That'll be 3 hours down About 4 hours to go. This is not a good day to have 85 miles to do, because the wind is slowing us down to 10 miles an hour and less, and it's up and down, uphill, downhill, uphill, downhill. It's gonna be a long day. We've done 1396 uphill. We're not even halfway done. And the wind is really picking up right in our face. 15-mile-an-hour wind in our face right here. Alright, we're about 38 minutes from somewhere, no, 38 miles from somewhere and 48 miles from nowhere. In the middle of the desert, we got 4 hours to go. There are a lot of sand dunes. Wow. This is the desert. The sand blowing across the road. This here. Wow, that's what I think of when I think of a desert. I know we've been in the desert through Arizona and New Mexico, but not a sandy desert. I'm out here in the desert with the sand blowing across the road. Beach quality sand. Very fine, finer, but not, it's like a yellow brown. Once we came into California, sun sets at 4:35. So a little after 4 now. But it's been a 9-hour day so far. It's gonna be close to 10. 9.5 anyway. Brawley, 7 miles. Okay, we can do that. It's raining. Not too bad though. I'll see if it picks up. Wind is kicking up with the rain now. Right in my face. Brawley. This is East Main Street, and as soon as I pass this light, it'll be West Main Street. 4 minutes to go. A drizzle on and off. Arrived. It was a long day. 87.5 miles, 7 hours and 21 minutes of riding. Average 11.9, but it's now 5:19 and we left at 7:10. That was a 10-hour day. I'm shot. We're shot. All right. And it's dark.